Hey guys, it's May99 here, and today I just want to quickly give out 3 shoutouts. So the first one is to Lucy12331. She's not on right now, but this is her. She does make videos. I will leave her channel link in the description below. And don't mind her ugly monkey. I'm sorry, but it's not that good. AJ really needs to touch up their monkeys. But yeah, so the second shout out is to Alarm32. I will also leave her channel link in the description. And she is also very good friends with MLPLPS20993. And that brings us on to the third shout out, who is 2 MLPLPS20993. So please go subscribe to these people. I know I only have 1 subscriber, but if you're watching this in the future, you never know, I might have millions. Okay, that's probably not going to happen, because I'm not a pari, nor Stereo Moon, hello, 0122. But yeah, so Wolfie is on right now. Please say hi. So that was just a really bad mistake because she said hi before I said that. But anyway, so yeah, this is her channel. Her main look is a Zandy, which is Kawaii Zombie. And yeah, so please go subscribe to these people. I will leave their channel links down below in the description box, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also share my videos with your friends if you want to. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.